Welcome to our channel. If you need to reset your Roku password, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account quickly and securely. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Roku website. Look for the sign-in option at the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Click on the sign-in button, then select Forgot Password below the login fields. This will redirect you to the password recovery page. Step 3. Enter the email address associated with your Roku account in the provided field. Make sure to use the exact email you registered with. Step 4. Check your email inbox for a password reset link from Roku. This email should arrive within a few minutes. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Click on the reset link in the email. You'll be taken to a secure page where you can create a new password for your account. Step 6. Enter your new password twice to confirm it. Choose a strong password that includes letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. Step 7. Save your new password and log into your Roku account using your updated credentials. Your account access is now restored. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.